You're welcome to my channel. On this tutorial, I'll be talking about how to locate and download Zoom recording on a learning management system using the Noun system. I'll be guiding Noun students on how to locate recorded videos that were used during the Zoom facilitation. All Zoom facilitation sessions were recorded. So I'll be guiding you to know how you can view, listen to recorded videos, and as well as download them to your device. So because these recorded videos are hosted on the Noun workspace, you would have to log in on your portal, the learning portal. If you have successfully logged in on your portal on the learning management system, you should have the same screen with me. Depending on your registered courses, you choose any of the courses you wish to visit the recorded sessions. For instance, you may wish to visit the sessions for community development. You simply scroll down to community development and then proceed to select a live session. You can do that by navigating at the index column. Any live session you click, where you see live class, it will lead you to the Zoom recording, where you can either join a Zoom meeting that is scheduled already or view recorded sessions. Once you click on live class, the Zoom window will open up, and then you see join icon on the new tab that is open. But for this session, we are not joining a particular facilitation. We are rather revisiting the cloud recordings. So on your screen, you look at the various tabs available. This is upcoming meetings, where scheduled meetings will be outlined. To join a meeting, you simply click on the join button under the actions column. Previous meetings will also be outlined under previous meetings tab. Our concern for this tutorial is the cloud recording. So the cloud recording, once you click on this tab, on the cloud recording tab, you will find all facilitation sessions. Click on any of them, whichever one you wish to view, listen to, or download. So I'm going to click on the first recording, which incidentally is the last session for April 14th, 2026. So we click on it, and then here it is. You can choose between video recording and audio recording. So if you choose video recording, the difference is that you will see the live session and everything that was displayed on screen during the session. But the audio will only give you the sound. You only hear audio. I'm sure we are familiar with audio and video. We know the difference. Also, another significant difference is that the video recordings will always be heavier than the audio recording. So you can see the video recording, there are up to five recordings for the same session, whereas the audio recording is just one. So I'm going to click on one of the video recordings, and later I'll click on the audio recording. The process for download is the same. Once you click on any of these icons, any of the video or audio recordings. The password will be copied. You can see copy passcode. The passcode for those recordings will be automatically copied. And so on the new tab that will open, you don't need to look for any passcode. You simply paste. Once you click on any of the video items, the passcode will automatically be copied. So at this point, I will simply paste the passcode and click watch recording. So while the page will load, you discover that at the top right, you find a download link. This is the link where you click to download that particular recording. Remember that the recording is one session, and the session for video was recorded up to 5 videos, up to 5 times. So I have clicked on download and it's currently downloading. This download will be found in your device. Once you click on download, it will be in your device. If you intend to watch online, you simply click on the play button.
A master's students not supposed to be in this class, so you can take the exit.
So this is just an example. You can see the course facilitator in a current session as at the time of recording. So I want to believe that this video has helped you. To download all other videos and recording sessions for various courses, you go through the same process. Let's go back to download the audio version of this recording. One good thing with the audio version is that the audio version begins and ends in one recording. It was not splitted. I'm sure you noticed that I clicked on the second tab. So the audio recording is just one, and this contains the entire session. So usually I prefer the audio recording because I will have to download only one file, and the weight of the file is just 40 megabytes as compared to the video file, which is larger than the audio file. So we can listen to it.
A master's students not supposed to be in this class, so you can take the exit.
So you can confirm that both the audio and the video recordings are the same. I want to believe that this video was helpful to you. I'd like you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever there's a new post, you will be notified. Help me like and share this video to those who may be in need of it. Thank you very much for watching.